guys, I'm Nadine, the founder of Throdle, and I am here with Rob and his Acura Legend.
Hello.
So you were the second owner of this car, right?
I am.
Who did you buy it from?
Little old lady from Pasadena. The nephew was selling it on her behalf. And initially I thought it was out of my budget. And the gentleman who was selling it to me said, "You're not gonna find a cleaner one." And I was like, "I'll find a cleaner one," and I didn't. I looked at maybe a dozen or so, and this is the story. I'm with it now.
So Rob, this looks super clean, and I know you're the second owner, but did you make any special touches in the interior?
So I wanted to create a story with this car. Maybe a gentleman was being chauffeured and
With the Suntory whiskey?
for relaxing times, make it Suntory time. Even the bottle here is from the 90s. I'm a sucker for details, so I had to keep everything period correct.
And with your Suntory, you do need a green tea, Kit Kat, matcha.
Dark matcha.
So before we get out and see some of the outside, hello.
Yeah, it's not a functioning phone, but
And it's made by Acura, look at that.
I do plan to try to make this work and retrofit maybe one of the senior citizen phones to like make it work just for fun.
So Rob, is this on air ride suspension?
Yes, this is installed by Air Runner in La Habra, and I did want to make it functional because I can't drive it this slow. Technically could, but the rarity of the kit, wanted to make it practical and so I can get over the driveways.
How many times have you nicked yourself on your own driveway?
Not my own driveway, but I have just a couple times.
And what's your favorite part about the car?
I do like the half seat covers. It's probably the rarest part on the car. A lot of people would say, well, there's a kind of granny doily thing going on, but in Japan, it's very popular. Half seat covers.
Well guys, if you want to learn more about Rob, check him out on the Throdle app and make sure that you like and share this video. Thanks so much.